We bring you an important update on a developing situation at the Chernobyl nuclear plant. Recent reports indicate that a drone strike has hit the facility, causing significant damage to its protective shield. According to the latest information, the drone attack resulted in notable damage to the plant's shielding, which is designed to contain any potential radioactive leaks. While there is no immediate indication of a catastrophic release of radiation, the incident raises concerns about the structural integrity of one of the world's most historically sensitive nuclear sites. Health experts stress that even minor compromises in a nuclear facility's defenses can have serious implications for public health and the environment. The authorities are now closely assessing the extent of the damage, and enhanced safety protocols are being implemented to ensure that the site remains secure. While the incident has understandably sparked widespread concern, it's important to note that the situation is being managed with utmost caution. Both local and international teams are working diligently to monitor the facility and prevent any potential hazards. At Health Bulletin, our commitment is to keep you informed with clear, factual updates on events that impact global health and safety. We will continue to monitor this situation at Chernobyl and bring you further developments as they become available.